4. This is next. Like this we can take the subtraction. Okay children? Go to the next section. Now, in this section C, find the missing digits. Here, two problems are there. How to fill up the missing digits I explained. Okay, the second one you can do for practice. See the first one. First one is addition problem. First one is addition problem. In this problem, what are the missing digits? The missing digits I wrote in circle. The circle digits are the missing digits. Try to understand. The circle digits are the missing digits. Okay, I filled the missing digits. How we should fill the missing digits? In the rougher, that means in that margin, I explain how to fill up these missing. In this addition problem, see the first one here. Here, missing digit 2 add. Then in answer 1 is there. So to what number? If we add 2, then we get here 1. Okay. So to the number 2, what is to be added to get here? That means 9 plus 2 is here 9 is to be taken. Why? Because 9 plus 2 means if we add 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 how much here? 11 we get. 9 plus 2 is 11. If we take 9 here, then 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Then we strike off 1. We write here 1. And another one is the carried number. Okay, children. Now you see, 1 is the carried 10 and the 8 tens, here 3 tens. Okay. Now add 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. Then we strike off this 2. We write here. That means in this blanks 2 we write. In this blanks what we write? 2. Now 1 is there. 1 is to be carried to the next place. That is 100 place. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Here blank is there. To get 7 here, what is to be added here? 7 is to be taken. If we take 7, then 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17 will come. See? 1 plus 7 plus 9. Here 7 is the blank number. Then how much we get? 17 we get. So here 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Then 7 here we write and 1 is there. That 1 we write in the next. Okay children. So like this you write 9 plus 1, 10. Here we have to get 7. That's why what is to be taken here? 7 is to be taken. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. In 17 we strike off 7. We write here and 1 we write here. Now add 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. See children? 1 plus 6 plus 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8. So strike off 5. Here we write 5. That's why Here the blank answer is 5. Blank answer is 5. Then 1 is to be carried here. 1 is to be carried here. Now 1 plus 7 8. To 8 how much is to be added? To get 3, 5 is to be added. So here 1 carried plus 7 is there. Plus if we add 5 means then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 is 30. Then straight off 3 right here. 3 is there already. What is to be written in the blank here? 5 is to be written. Then 5 plus 1, 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 13. Then 3 strike off, we write 3 here and here 1. 1. Now 4 plus 1, 5. To 5, how much is to be added? To get 11 means 6. If we write 6 and add, then what will happen? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay. So here 1 is carried. 4 plus, here blank is there, 6 I wrote. So here 1 we have to get, no, that's why here 6, if we add 6 here, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11 will come. Okay. If we write here 6 means, then 11 will come. Then strike off 1 we write here and here another 1. Now you see 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. So here 1, here 1. 1 is carried. Now 5, 1. How much 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 1 is here 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. To 6, how much is to be added to get 9? Here 5 plus 1, 6. To 6, how much is to be added to get 9? So 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, children. Now here 2 is there. 4 is the blank answer. Here 6. To get 6, what is to be added for 2? To get 6, what is to be added for 2? 4 is to be added. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Like this, just by doing some rough work, this is rough work. We can guess the suitable number in the given blank. We can guess the suitable number in the given blank. Okay. This is an example for you how to guess the missing digits. Like this, another sum is there. Do it for practice. Now we are going to the word problems. Okay. Let us study the word problems. Right, children? Okay. Now we are going to the word problems. So in the section D, word problems are there. The first question is, solve the following. First one, in a food grain, in a food grain, go down. In a food grain, go down. 69,88,200 bags of wheat were stored. Rats ate away 379 bags. The rain spoiled 4,975 bags. How many bags remained in the godown? This is the question. So after reading the question, now come to an understanding about that and write the steps. What is given in the problem? See here. In a food grain go down, how many wheat bags stored? A food grain go down, how many bags of wheat stored? See, 69,88,200 bags bags of wheat are stored. That much of bags are stored in the godown. Okay. Very in the beginning, in the godown, how many bags are there? 69,88,200 bags are there. Now what happened? Rats ate away 379 bags. Rats are there. Rats will eat now. So rats ate some bags. How many bags were eaten by rats? How many bags were eaten by rats? 379 bags. Okay, children. Next one. Due to rains, some bags were spoiled. Some bags were spoiled due to rain. How many bags were spoiled? See, 4,975 bags were spoiled. So, how many bags remained in the godown? Okay, children. So, to find the bags remained in the godown, what you have to do here? Here, bags ate by rats and number of bags spoiled by rain, these two we add. This one and this one we add. Okay. Add 379 and 4,975. By adding these two, what we get here? Total number of bags. Okay. Spoiled by rats and ate by rats and spoiled by rain. That number you subtract from very in the beginning, go down how many bags are there? 69,88,000. From that number, subtract. Then you get bags remained in the godown. Okay, children? Right. So, first step you write. Bags in the godown. Bags in the number of bags, you write that. Number of bags in the godown. How many? 69 lakhs, 88,200. Very in the beginning. Okay. Next. Number of bags eaten by rats. Number of bags eaten by rats. How many bags were eaten by rats? 307. That we write as second step. Number of bags eaten by rats. How many? 370. Next, due to rains, how many bags were spoiled? Rain spoiled 4,975 bags. So, number of bags spoiled by rain. Here rats, here rain. So, how many bags were spoiled by rain? 370. Rain spoiled 4,970 according to places. Now, by adding these two, what we get here? Together we get that means bags eaten by rats and bags spoiled by rain. Both add. So, number of bags, number of bags we lost. Number of bags we lost. That means, how can we get here? The two numbers we add is equal to number of bags we lost is equal to together. Here we write add these two 379 plus 4,975. 379 plus 4,975. 4,975. Add. Unison. So in the you take the margin work here and add 4,975 and 4,975. Add 9 plus 5 14, 4 here 1 is there. 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 5 1 is there now, right 1 is here. 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13, 3 here 1 right, 4 plus 1 5. 5,354. These bags, number of bags we lost together. Okay, now how many bags remain in the code? How many bags remain in the code? So, to get that, you subtract this one from this number. That means very in the beginning, in the go down, how many stored that one. So here, number of bags remained in the go down. Number of bags remained in the go down. In the go down is equal to 69,88,200 minus 5,354. Okay, students, are you following? Now here subtraction, so subtraction. 69,000, 88,000, 69 lakhs 88,200 minus 5,354. Subtract. Then here 0 minus 4, subtraction not possible. Take borrow. So here can you write and here 9. 2 is giving borrow, that's why you write here 1. Because here you borrow, that's why we can take borrow from this number 2. That's why here 1 is it, here 9, here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 9 minus 5, 4. Can you subtract 3 from 1? No. That's why ask borrow. So 1 becomes 11 and 8 becomes 7. Now here 11 minus 3, how much? 11 minus 3, 8. Here 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Remaining numbers as it is, we write 8, 9, 6. In the 3 numbers, no change. Okay, children? 0 minus 4 here once again see. Here borrow, so 10 minus 4, 6. It gave borrow, that's why 9 only, 9 minus 9 here, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 means 4 here, what? By mistake. So, you have the number, no, that's why here 4 only. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. So 10 minus 4 here 10 minus 4, 6, here 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. Here 3 cannot be subtracted, that's why borrow taken. So 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Here 7 is there, 7 minus 5, 2. Here 8, 9, 6. So 6, 9, 8, 2, 8, 4, 6. 69,82,846 bags remained in the godown. How can you check your answer? How can you check your answer? These are the remaining in the godown, the remaining bags in the godown. This one and bags we lost by the effect of rats and rain add. Then you will get the very in the beginning bags stored in the godown you can get. So add okay to the 16,000 to the 16,846. To this if we add bags lost 5354. How much? 5354. Add 6 plus 4 8 10 0 1 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10 0 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 8 12 2 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 8 9 6 6 9 8 8 200 6 7 8 8 200. So your sum is correct. Like this we can check the answer. Okay children. So very in the beginning this much of bags was stored. Now rats ate some bags 379 and some bags were spoiled by rain 4,975. So here we add both, that means rats affect bags and rain spoiled bags. Both are added. 5,354 you got. Now number of bags remained in the godown means in the beginning stock is there that much of stock. From that stock bags lost, how many bags we lost? 5,354. That is subtract. Then we got this. This is the number of bags remained in the godown. This is the procedure. Okay students.